Here are some vegetable flower facts that every gardener needs to know. You finally have a female cucumber appear after waiting patiently, but you're not sure if it has been pollinated. If it wasn't, the cucumber will start to turn yellow and shrivel up. To guarantee pollination next time, simply use a paintbrush to manually pollinate the female flower. Tomato flowers are called perfect flowers because they contain both female and male reproductive parts in the same flower, making them perfect for beginners. Unpollinated squash flowers can rot and attract pests or disease if left on the plant. Removing them keeps the plant healthy and supports new growth. Male cucumber flowers grow on thin stems and produce only pollen, with no fruit behind them. Female flowers have a small, immature cucumber at the base and can develop into fruit if pollinated. Tomatoes can be temperamental. If conditions are off, too hot, too cold, or too humid, the flowers may fall off without setting fruit, a problem called blossom drop. You can be your squash's pollinator by using a paintbrush to collect pollen from a male flower and applying it to any female flower that is ready to be pollinated. A cucumber plant can have both male and female flowers and still be considered self-pollinating because both flower types are on the same plant. However, it still requires pollen transfer, typically by insects or manual pollination. Don't worry if your cucumber plant isn't producing any female flowers yet. On average, a cucumber plant produces 20 male flowers for every female flower. Yes, peppers are self-pollinating plants, meaning each flower contains both male and female parts and can fertilize itself. However, pollination can be improved by wind or insect activity for a better fruit set.